Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm very happy and thankful that finally I'm able to capture video again. It has been like almost 2 months that I was not able to capture any video because I was having a very blurry left eye vision. So it was really scary when I couldn't fix my vision. But thank God, after 2 months, I am finally fully recovered, guys. And I was telling myself that I need to take good care of my eyes starting from now. I was having very bad habits, sleeping very late every night, and also always in front of different type of electronic gadgets, guys. Our laptop, our phone, the screen, the TV, and all that different types of electronic gadgets. So I really need to protect my eyes and take good care of my eyes. Today in this video, I'm going to share with you guys a few blue light filter glasses and also a bag. They were sponsored by this online company called Time, TIJN, and I was told that it should be pronounced as Time. I hope I got it right. So I'm going to share with you guys shortly these pieces, along with some pieces that I pick up again from Zara this round. And those pieces that I pick up from Zara this round, they are along this line: basic, neutral, neat, crop, and sleek, guys. So later on, I'm also going to show with you guys how I mix and match these pieces along with the blue light glasses and also the bag which I received from Tide Company. Are you guys ready? Let's get started. This Tide Company, guys, they actually have two websites. One is for shoes, very comfortable shoes, and also different type of bags. So I chose one bag which I will show you guys later. And they also have another website that is mainly focusing on eyewear like prescription sunnies, optical, regular sunglasses, and also blue light filter glasses. Obviously, I have selected blue light filter glasses this round because I told you guys just now that I wanted to protect my eyes and I wanted something very trendy and easy to match with my outfit again, and something that I can wear for a whole day. Surprisingly, I kind of like these products from this company, so I don't know, but when they approached me, of course that was the first time I heard about this company, but I really like the item somehow. I'm going to show you guys shortly. The first item that I received from them is this blue light filter lenses. And there's a slogan here: eco-friendly packaging for the good of our planet, guys. It's very solid packaging. I love it. I thought it will only come with a very simple box and not of very good quality, but I really like this packaging. Very good quality again. Reliable screen glasses, and they also have a piece of Life is Art cloth here. And they have some extra parts or accessories in case we need to change in future. I'll show you guys a close-up later. So this Tide eyewear is also on Instagram. It's very famous on Instagram as well. You guys could check it out. Reliable screen glasses. This pair is actually the pair that I love the most, guys. Okay. So this is actually transparent glasses, but there's a half golden frame. I show you guys a close-up. Half golden frame, and is gold in color, the frame, but it's only half, and in front is a rounded transparent. So I really like this design, guys, and I'm very happy with the quality of these filter glasses, guys. I bought before one filter glasses from another company, and it was almost around the same price, but then the quality was not as good. This, surprisingly, although it's sponsored, but really is very good quality, guys. I can feel it. It's very lightweight, but still you feel that it's worth paying for this price because the quality is there. And this design, guys, is good. I tried before. I could wear this like whole day, like 12-13 hours, not an issue. It's very lightweight, very comfortable. You can wear it whole day, and this design is good. Somehow, if you don't feel like putting any makeup, you put on this, it looks perfect, guys. We don't really want to put on makeups like every day, so whenever I don't put on makeup, I find that this works very well when I don't put on makeup, guys. Of course, if I make up, this will blend very well too, but if I don't, this is good to wear because somehow really like this design. Is good. That's the tip and trick that I discovered for these glasses. It works well with or without makeup, guys. Really love it. Very comfortable, very cute, trendy, and easy to match. What do you guys think? Try to show you guys as well this a close-up again when I put on these glasses later on. So I really like this glass. It's very comfortable. You could wear it whole day. It will not drop. Very comfortable, and it's very trendy design. This is one of the, I believe this is one of the new releases that they have. You could check out their website, and I also believe right now they are having probably Halloween discounts or promotion, so you could check out this. This is one of my favorites. Another one that I pick up, I try to choose neutral pieces so that it can blend well with all my outfits, so that I don't have to, you know, I can have a lot of outfits but I cannot have a lot of specs, right? So I try to choose neutral specs, so that neutral glasses, so that it can go very well with any outfit. And that's the reason why I choose this transparent piece filter glasses, transparent piece. And this, because it has no color, transparent, you can go with any outfit, guys. Any color you wish, it can blend very well. And this will go very well if we put on makeup, guys, because it is transparent lens. Whereas for the gold one, it can go very well when there's no makeup, or even if with makeup. But this will go very well when we put on makeup, guys. So, and this again, very lightweight, very neutral piece, very sporty in a way, this one I feel. But unfortunately, guys, this is not very comfortable on me because it's very loose here. As I mentioned just now, I don't have a very 3D sharp nose. I have a quite a flat face feature, so it will drop a little bit, and I tend to push up. So if you have a very sharp nose, high nose, or sharp nose, I don't know how should I say it, guys. But I hope you know what I mean. So I don't have a very sharp feature, so these tend to drop, and I always have to push up. But other than that, it looks really good, guys. The design, very trendy, very sporty, and it can match with any outfit, guys. And the casing, guys, is very good quality. Look at this casing. I'm impressed. Can you see the magnetic casing? It's really very good quality. But unfortunately, this one, you see, is dropping, and I need to push. Although I really like the design, but it's not very comfortable to wear for a whole day. For maybe 1-2 hours, I feel it's still fine. But for whole day, I would prefer just now the golden one, and another one which I'll be showing you guys right now. So very sad, but if you have more 3D features, sharp features, then you could go for this design, guys. So this is the last piece that I chose from Tyne as well. Look at the color and this packaging again. Impressed and like this beige packaging, very neutral color, magnetic closure. And look at what I pick up. This is rose gold in color. They have it in gold as well. I think they have it in gold, rose gold, and perhaps black. I forgot a few colors. I chose rose gold because I figured it can blend very well with my face tone, and also just now was gold color and transparent color. I thought I wanted something different, so I chose rose gold. And I like this because it has very fine frame, very fine. You can see it's like a piece of art, very fine. Again, the quality is there, guys, so it's worth paying. Quality is there. And again, this one I feel comfortable, just like the first glasses which I showed you guys just now. This is very comfortable. You can wear it all day, 12, 13 14-15 hours, not an issue at all. Very lightweight, comfortable. And I think it also came with these accessories. I didn't use this, guys. Let me see, what is this? I think it's like a chain that we could hang. I'm not sure how, but I don't use this. I think it's to, oh, I'm guessing it should be here, but I don't use this, guys. I only use the filter lenses. Very good quality. Okay, you can feel the quality, and I'm impressed that it is very comfortable. It's heaven, guys. Very lightweight, very comfortable, protect our eyes, our vision, and I can wear this whole day, guys. And this is good if you want to look a little bit more feminine, maybe office look a little bit more feminine, then I'll go for this design. And this design, you can see it is like extra large. I like it because then my face will look slimmer when my glasses are extra large. So I really like this, and this looks great with makeup or without makeup as well. More feminine look, so I purposely choose different type of looks. More sporty, the transparent one, more feminine, and also the other gold color, which is a little bit cool, and also feminine and not feminine in a way as well. I don't know how, but different pieces. And I'm going to show you guys later as well how I'm going to mix and match all these pieces together. Love it. So I've been wearing them for very often since then, especially when I'm in front of the screen. So love it. You guys could check out, since now they have ongoing promotion. Next one is the bag that I chose from the website from Time Company as well. I chose this bag. Very nice, the packaging again. I really love their slogan, eco-friendly packaging for the good of our planet. Really like the packaging. And are you guys ready? This is the bag. Da, 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 da. This is a neutral color that I pick up, and they have it in a few colors, guys. Actually, initially I wanted to choose the dark green color because I feel it's very nice, dark green color, the trend as well, and I don't have that color. But I thought for the first piece, let me first go with the neutral color again. Basic, you guys know me, I always love to go for basic pieces. So I chose this light beige color, I think. Very neutral piece, and I really like this design. Guys, if you are a bag lover, you would know that lately this brand called Bottega Veneta, I hope I pronounced correctly this brand, and I show you guys a photo as well of the bag that I have been thinking of getting, but I think I'm not ready because when I look at the price tag, and also I'm not sure if the bag will hold the value, so that's why I think I won't pay for that bag yet at this moment. Although I hardly sell my bags, but still I wanted to go for something that I feel that is worth paying. So when I saw this design, from Time Company, I told myself, I really like this design, guys. It's very similar, although not 100%, but it's very similar. And I like it because it's not exactly 100% the same, but it's just the style that I like it. So if you look at my bags collection, I obviously do not have any bag with this kind of design. I really love it, and the quality is really very good, guys. I thought at first I was a little bit skeptical because first time I'm seeing this brand. and the quality. I am impressed, guys, although it's sponsored, but I'm really impressed with the quality. I'm also thinking about the green color. You guys could check it out, and I really like this because I could hold this as a clutch or this way. I feel very powerful when I hold something as a clutch, guys. I really like this bag, guys, and it's very secure. The opening very secure, quality is there, and it also comes with a shoulder strap, right? So I could hold this on my shoulder. It's a shoulder bag, or I could hold this as a crossbody bag, right? But obviously I would prefer to hold this as a clutch. That's the reason why I chose this bag. Inside there is 2 compartments and also a zip pocket, very roomy. You can put all sorts of things inside, not an issue. Of course, you can remove the strap. These straps you could remove, and I foresee myself will be holding this as a clutch most of the time, guys. I really love this design. And you're just paying fraction of the price to enjoy this design, this look, and this quality. Really love it. And the green color, I really like the green color as well, guys. I'm so tempted. Really love this, and shortly I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to pair this bag with the filter glasses as well as the Zara pieces that I pick up, and of course Zara pieces I purchased myself. Okay, guys, thank you for watching, guys. I hope you guys really enjoy yourself. I just wanted to share with you guys the pieces that I'm very obsessed lately. I hope you guys really enjoy this video, a little bit long. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like this video, and I'll see you guys soon in my next one. Bye, guys.